Hey everybody, it's Kevin Kuhn with iBusiness Network, and today we're talking to you guys about customer groups and vendor groups within SAP Business One. So what are customer groups and vendor groups? They're a way for us to classify our customers and vendors based on characteristics such as their size, the sector that they're in, or the region. The reason why we do this is for both pricing and reporting needs. So first I'll show you how to navigate to customer groups and vendor groups. So we'll go to Administration here on the left, Setup, Business Partners, and then you can see the options for both customer groups and vendor groups here. So I'll click on Customer Groups first. And in this window you can see that the 5 customer groups I have set up. So we have distributors, large accounts, small accounts, walk-in customers, and web customers. You can also set the price list for each customer group, and you can also set the effective discount. So the price list is a markup or markdown on the unit price, and for customer groups this is used during the sales process. And then the effective discount is whenever there's multiple discounts going on at once, you can have the system take the lowest discount, the highest discount, the average discount, the total discount, or discount multiples. I'll cancel out of that one, and then now we'll look at vendor groups. And then these are our vendor groups we have set up. So we have electrical, plumbing, dual supplier, boxes, office supplies, and overhead. And then you have the same options here for price list and effective discount. And then you can see we actually have the electric price list set up and the plumbing price list set up for these two. So I'll go navigate to price list now and show you what that entails. So if you go to inventory and then price lists, you can see that for the plumbing price list that there is a markdown of 0.05 and that's based off the retail price list. So that means that there'll be a 5% discount on the unit price whenever you use for any vendor that uses this price list. And then the same thing here with electric. There'll actually be a 9% markdown from the retail price list, and this will be reflected in the documents I'll show you now. So we'll go to inventory and we'll actually go open up a purchase order here. I'll actually open up 2 and I'll show you the difference. So I'll first do a vendor that uses the electric price list. So that'd be Magneto's Electric World. Choose that. And then I will move this over here. Open up a second purchase order. And then this time I'll do it for a plumbing company. So I'll do plumbing by Green Goblin. And then I'll have them purchase the same item, and I'll show you the difference in the unit price. And that's the effect that the price list has on this process. So you see the unit price here is $28.50. And then over here for the electric price list, it is $27.30. So there's the difference in the price list, and that's what the importance of setting that up for your customers and vendors. So this will be used for vendors, since it's the purchasing process. I'll exit out of these 2, and I'll show you where you set up your price list. So you go to Business Partners, and then Business Partner Master Data, and if you click on if you see the group here, whenever you want to either add your own custom business partner, or if you just look at an old one, you can see that you saw the options for the different customer groups here for customers, and then if you're looking at a vendor, you have the different vendor groups here possible. Another cool thing about the groups, I'll actually show you the reporting now. So if I go to, let's say, sales, and then I'll go to sales reports down here, and then we'll click on sales analysis. You actually have the option to search your all the sales that you've done based on these customer groups. And so for example, if I click on large accounts here and I hit OK, you can see each company and each customer that is in the large accounts group, and you can check out their AR invoices amount, you can check out the gross profit percentage, I X out of that, then I had an individual display set up for that option. So if I look at group display for this one, and hit OK, it'll actually just show me the entire amount for everyone in large accounts. So X out of that. So yeah, that's what I want to talk to you guys about today for customer and vendor groups. I hope you guys learned something, and thank you guys for watching.